What's up, traders? So today was a really slow day. We got two trades. They're both pretty small. So let's get to it. All right, real quick before we get started, don't forget about the 3,000 subscriber giveaway. It's on the front of the channel. I'll put a link down in the description below if you're interested in one full month of Team ISW, where you can trade alongside me, Brian, GDT, David, on a daily basis for a month. Be sure to check that out. We're also giving away 3 full years of TraderSync Journal. All the details are in the video that will be down in the description, so check that out. Jumping right into KTOS, this was our first trade of the day. Not too much going on. You can see it was already 10:30, and yeah, we'll just kind of jump into the live trade here. I covered myself up, got some feedback about seeing two of me. I did that so that you could see that it was live, but I guess you can just go back and watch the live trade itself if you really want to know. So here we actually had put an order out. You'll see we put an order out here on the ask. We hit it 29.58. That ends up being the high through the pop because we saw it starting to jiggle. It didn't want to quite give it to us, so I figured if it was going to come back up through, we were going to get more of a pop, right? So why put it right at high of day knowing that it's probably going to extend even further? So that's why I raised it up that quick, because we didn't get that initial fill at high of day. And as you can see, it did go back down through 40. It didn't really quite give us what we would have been looking for, so we probably would have still been in it anyway. So we actually ended up with a much better fill than we would have had we got in at 58. So it comes up, it does fill us at 68. Nothing real special about this one. It ends up coming right back down. This line, I believe, was right off the daily. And yeah, about half the move. It does end up coming back down to this 28.80 area, which is a little bit disappointing because I just felt like my share size wasn't big enough to warranty taking 90% there, or even 80%, and trying to let it go. So that was just how that played out. Our second trade was on OCGN, which was about 25 minutes later. You can see we pulled it up. This is a pretty nice extension. This is exactly what we look for, right? Previous resistance, a nice little move right through it. And we were coming up to a whole dollar, right? So typically we'd be looking for the move through that whole dollar, but unfortunately, you'll start to see that that just doesn't happen. You can start to see it starting to struggle now. It does try to get a little bit higher. And again, you can just see it really struggling. We're not getting the ask like we were all the way up to this point. And so it starts to jiggle. You're going to see us realize that, and we are going to start our position first sign of that drop, which was right there. We ended up getting filled at 92. I actually thought we got filled at 91 when I had first jumped in. And this is going to be another one. Just put the order out about halfway from that move. We don't really have any additional size, so really just kind of looking to get out. We took really small size on this one because I was expecting and kind of hoping it went up through 9. So when you saw us double click, it was actually 100 shares that we should have been starting with. And if it would have went through 9, we would have started with 100 shares. But unfortunately, it didn't seem to want to get up to 9. So we ended up splitting that order in half just in case it did want to continue. And we ended up getting half of a starter. So we ended up with pretty much half of a winner. But hey, I'm not going to complain about free money. And to be completely honest, these were the only two trades that kind of called our name today. So that was it. We only ended up making 1370 of the 40 that we were shooting for, which I think came out to around like 38% of our goal. Just a slow day. Sometimes these are going to happen. It's frustrating, but it's not red. There's some green in there, so can't really complain, right? And yeah, that's all I got. So I will catch you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always appreciate that support. If you do have any questions or comments, leave those down below. And again, don't forget about that 3,000 subscriber giveaway that we're doing. Really excited. Not going to be doing the giveaway probably till the end of July, so you have plenty of time to get your entry in. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace.